I'm going to quickly show you how to fix the xinput.dll file problem. Make sure to follow my steps. So first of all you have to do is to go to your browser. Once done, search for DirectX download and then click the link that belongs to Microsoft. Next, make sure to select your language. After that, select download. This file will be automatically downloaded, so you need to select it. After that, make sure to follow up with this installation process. So select the first one, click next, and then uncheck this box. After that, select next and wait for the process to finish. Now for the next step, you should go to this page to download the DLL folder. So I will leave it in the description below so you can access it quickly. Now scroll down. Make sure to check your architecture, whether it is 32 or 64 bits. For me it's 64, so I'm going to select this download button. Now this file is installed, so you just need to extract it and then make sure to copy paste it in the Mafia 2 folder. For the next step, make sure to open the Steam launcher, then go to the view option and select library. After that, look for the Mafia 2 game, select this gear icon. After that, select properties. Now select installed files. Make sure to select browse and then copy paste the input file that you just extracted. After that, select verify integrity of game files. You need to wait for the process to finish so you can restore or recover any corrupted or missing file. After that, you just need to close all of this and restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. If you do find it helpful, please consider subscribing and see you on the next one.